In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Gmail account to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings, then scroll down until you find Mail, then tap Add Accounts, and then Add Account. Select Google, and on the next step we need to enter our Gmail account login data. So first off, enter your email or phone number in that text field and then tap Add Next. On the next step, you have to enter your Gmail account password and tap Add Next. And then your Gmail account will be added right here in Accounts. You can then get into it and configure which data you would like to sync. You can turn on or off the switchers next to Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. That's how you can easily add Gmail account to your iPhone.